Well, Michaela and I finished up our quick trip at Glacier. We were there for about an hour and a half. It started raining, and of course now it's not. So we didn't have timed entry passes, so we went in after 4 p.m. So I don't know exactly what the plan is for tomorrow, but we're definitely going to have a better plan. And we just kind of wanted to get a little taste. I was also running pretty low on gas, and that road is extremely long with all the elevation. I probably would have ran out, and there's no gas stations in the park. And the gas station at the exit of the park was charging $5.79 for unleaded, and I'm getting it for $4.34, literally 4 miles down the road. So I think Michaela's grabbing stuff for s'mores, because we're allowed to have fires at our campsite, which is really rare out west. So that's awesome. Gonna have some s'mores tonight. Gonna get back to the campsite here soon. Filling up right now. Let's see what it's gonna cost. Oh, she stopped at the $100, but we got 22 gallons. So I'm gonna call it good. I know it's probably not 100% full, but give me that receipt, unfortunately. So yeah, if you guys want to support the trip on any shape, way, or form, you could buy some prints. The link is in the description, and it goes a long way, so I would appreciate that. A steady hand. This might be our, well, this is probably gonna be our second to last night, right? We're probably gonna also do tomorrow? Yeah. Yeah, this is an absolutely awesome spot. I definitely wanna say the best campsites are free. That's a fact, especially if you have either solar or a generator, or you just charge your crap when you drive. There's really no point in paying for camping, especially when normally we have nobody around us. But this is still totally okay for it being completely free. I mean, look at the view. Okay, so today is Saturday, August 13th. Yesterday we got into, wait no, it's 2 days we got into Glacier. We got in on Thursday, and we went in a little bit yesterday. We don't have timed entry passes, so we went in after 4 p.m. yesterday. It rained, we left, and today we were gonna wake up at, well, we did wake up at 5 a.m. It was pouring out, and Michaela had another headache. So we just slept it off, and now it's about 3:30, and we're about to head back to the west entrance of Glacier and go down, what is it, going to the Sun Road?
Yep.
And maybe do some pull-offs and stuff. Probably not gonna do the whole road because it's 50 miles one way, turn around, or if you wanna loop around Glacier, it's 2 hours back to this campsite. So not trying to spend that much money on gas, and trying to also see what we can see and hopefully make whatever it is we end up doing worth it. So yeah, we're about to head back into Glacier for round 2.
Falling now.
So we just filtered our water for the next day or so, and we are heading back to camp. Probably still kind of a long drive back to the campsite. Glacier's huge, for one, and going to the Sun Road, I think it's 50 miles one direction, so it's pretty long. And we're gonna go back, make some soups, Nothing too fancy for dinner. And have a fire and have some s'mores. So time to head out of here. Mikhail, what do you think overall of what we've seen so far, which is pretty much going to the Sun Road?
I felt like I was in Narnia.
Yeah, it was hard to fathom.
Crazy.
It really blows your perception of scale.
Like the last time I saw something that like large of scale was probably Big Sur.
Yeah.
And like just big landscapes like that.
Rocky
It's just
Mountain was probably the
crazy.
closest thing I'd say to
Yeah.
mountains and stuff, but
Yeah.
overall, super cool. We filtered our
was
awesome water, and yeah, about to head back.